Marble Chrome 23537. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Star-Lord. Bottom is Silk. That's 5, baby. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Let's find out who has what. Who's got Spider-Man? Spider-Man, obviously one of the bigger ones. Not Spider-Ham. Spider-Man. 1, 2, 3. Easy as. That is Rams and Tamo. All right. Here we go. Someone will get this. It'll just be random between everybody. These inserts sound so like loose, but they're not. All right, good luck, everyone. All right, Blob, shouts me. Dormammu, Omega Red, Storm, Professor Xavier, Enter 399. Very nice. Rocket Raccoon, real Saturday cartoon style. Rocket Raccoon in spot 10. Early doors getting the good word does Rob LHB. Carnage Refractor. Shuri, Black Cat, Rocket Raccoon, Gamora, Mimic. Oh, I keep getting this wrong. Gold to 50. It is Prowler. One of Spider-Man's villains. 14. Congratulations to Early Bird's getting the good words here. Brenda Mortis. Shang-Chi, Bucky Barnes, Layla L. Foley. Carol Danvers, Miss Marvel, Captain Marvel, Black Knight. Destiny Refractor. Omega, not Omega Red. Daredevil, Green Goblin Deeds, Valkyrie Havoc. Hercules Refractor. Rogue, Strange, Wagnerine. Loki and Unis. Turns out I actually need this. No, I somehow got it wrong again. She-Hulk to 399. Very nice one there. She-Hulk in spot 28. That's a nice little pick up there for Craig. Doc Ock, Black Bolt, Prowler, Nightcrawler, and Lockjaw. Let him go. So the front is this side. I flip, yep. All right, Domino. Hammer. Vulture, Human Torch, Kaiser, Union Jack, Andy, Giant Size Avengers. Abomination, Shulk, Jones, Knight, Juggernaut, Ant-Man icons. Again, I'm almost certain that every single... Yeah, I was literally just about to say that. Never heard of. Ultron, Black Widow, Haywire, Star-Lord, Swarm, and Guardians of the Galaxy. Luke Cage, Galactus, Ant-Man, Mantis, Typhoid Mary Refractor. And that's cool. The 60 years almost stained glass. That's bullseye, baby. All right. Miles Morales, Sam Wilson, Alex Horn, Groot, Apocalypse, Enter 39. Jackpot. That's cool. That's the shortest print we've seen so far. Jackpot. Oh, I wrote Jackpot. Jackpots. Going the way of spot 144. Late Bird getting a good word on that one, and that is Hayden Howe. That's cool. First appearance. Oh, wow. That is... Jackpot is MJ. There you go. Drax. I believe that's from the CM Punk run. So we also have John Ironfire, Wolverine, Spot, and Black Cat Refractor. And that is Marvel Chrome 53357.